everybody from Trang, a city in the south of Thailand that most tourists simply pass through on their way out west towards the Andaman Sea and the well-known islands such as Ko Muk and Ko Lanta. However, not many stick around and explore old Trang. Should we go and have a look what's going on? Let's go. Now there's a few ways to get to Trang. You can sit on the train from Bangkok. Bangkok is the very start of the line and Trang is the end. It takes about 14 hours. Or you can get on a flight and it takes about an hour. We flew with Thai Lion. For those of you wondering, this is Princess Mother's Park. It's a little bit of a distance outside of town, so we're going to jump in a grab now and head back. That's the app that you need here rather than Uber. Alright, we're back in town now. Didn't sleep very well, so we're going to have a coffee in this nice old building here. Let's go. So it turns out this cafe used to be the old post office, nicely decorated. We're going to head on now and have a look at some street art and some interesting things. Let's go. Febby's a bit snowed under with work at the minute. She's going to stay sat in the cafe for a while, so I am a lone farang on the streets at the minute. People always think she's a local and try to speak to her in Thai anyway. Okay, well the street art was a little bit anticlimactic. It's seen better days. I'm reunited with Febby now and we're going to go and have a look at a roundabout, but not just any roundabout. Let's go. We emerge out from the other side of the little local market here. I know it's looked quite overcast for most of the video. It is still in the 30s. It was like 33 real feel or something when we left this morning. We are feeling a few spots of rain now, so that'll make things interesting. I did say we were coming to look at a roundabout, which, no surprises, means a bit of traffic noise, so apologies if it's a little bit loud. We'll swing the camera around, have a look, and then I'll explain what's going on. Now the roundabout behind me features the Dugong, and no, I don't mean the Pokémon, which is called the same name but spelt differently. It is a real life animal called a Dugong, and this part of Thailand, at least the coastal part, which we'll be heading to next, is known for the Dugongs. I believe they probably are pretty endangered. There's not many of them left now, but they do thrive here, so hopefully we get to meet one when we head to the seaside. Just around the corner from the old Dugong roundabout, we've got another market. Trang seems to be the land of markets. Every corner you come around, there's a different market. I think this one's a night market. They're just setting up now. We will visit a night market later on. There is one right by the train station, right by where we're staying, so we'll head to that one in a bit. Noticed that they've forgotten to take down the Christmas decorations. That goes for Bangkok as well. There was still a lot up there, and it's actually bad luck in England to leave them up that long. Superstitious bad luck anyway, if you want to believe it, but Obviously, they don't mind it here, it's still Christmas. Right, we're back out. We've hit a hitch. The night market near us actually isn't open. It's a Monday today, and it's only open Friday, Saturday, Sunday. But adapt and overcome, as Bear Grylls would say. We'll go back to the other night market that we walked through earlier. Let's go. Not for me tonight, I'm afraid. Some seafood. Also not for me. There's a hell of a lot of seafood. We are still about 45 minutes from the shoreline here. So it's not like we are on the beach or anything. Okay, this is the busiest stall in the entire market. There's a dude making pancakes and he's putting like cartoon characters on them. There's a big old menu, not of flavours, but of which cartoon character you want on your pancake. Swing it around and you can have a look. Okay, I'm a 36-year-old that's currently wearing Squirtle socks, so we've gone for Squirtle. We'll see how it turns out. Okay, big thumbs up for the Squirtle pancake. Let's keep going on and having a look around. If you're quite a picky eater, this might not be the place for you. There's a lot of random things in bags and no English, so roll the dice and see what you get. So Trang is apparently known for crispy pork, quite similar to lechon, a dish from the Philippines, where Febby comes from, and we're kind of still yet to see it anywhere. A bit strange considering it's supposedly known for it here. It just seems like there's loads of seafood. Okay, we've made our decision. We've gone boring, I'm afraid. A bit fried chicken and sausage. No bugs today. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give me a big old like, subscribe for more travel adventures, and I'll see you next time.